Revu's interface is designed for easy and fast access to documents and features. The main workspace is the center area where your files will be displayed. The menu bar is where you will find all of your features and settings. In the Revu menu, you will see options for managing your software, like preferences and profiles. Profiles are defined workspace configurations that allow you to customize the interface to your unique needs. Revu comes preloaded with profiles, but you can customize profiles from this menu as well. File contains functions for opening, saving, and creating new PDFs. Edit provides tools for manipulating your document's content. View has commands for controlling the look and behavior of the workspace. Document features tools that allow you to make changes to the entire document. Batch contains tools to control multiple PDFs at the same time. Tools include all tools needed for markups, measurements, and more, including options to show and hide toolbars on the interface. Window provides controls for the web tab, full screen, and panels. Help has options to check for updates, technical support, and review tutorials. Panel access provides options to different workflow functions and features. Each panel has distinct functionality. Here are some of the more important ones. The first panel is File Access, where you can see your recently opened documents and even pin documents to different categories for faster access. The Thumbnails panel provides small previews of your PDF and where you could rename or reorder pages, as well as access other document functions. The tool chest houses your most used markups into tool sets. Revu provides tool sets depending on the profile, or you can customize your own. You could save these directly to a profile so you never have to remake a markup. The Measurement panel allows a direct place to access various tools and properties, including where to view and calibrate your document scale. The last panel is Studio, Revu's collaboration tool. Studio includes Sessions, which allows for collaborating on documents in real time, and Projects, a document management tool. The Markups list is a powerful tool that records your markups metadata. This data is organized into columns like subject, comments, status, space, or create a custom column to process all markups placed on your document. Finally, use the Summary drop-down to export all this information to project partners. This is a toolbar where your most important tools are stored for quicker access. You can click a cloud markup and place it directly on the document without having to go into the Tools menu. Toolbars are fully customizable for your unique workflow, and you could add more toolbars to different areas under the Tools menu. The toolbars will change based on the active profile. The Properties toolbar is a special toolbar just above the main workspace that shows you properties based on the current selection. When nothing is selected, it shows the document's properties. But if you were to select a markup, for example, it would then show commonly used properties for that type of markup, allowing you to edit them directly without opening a panel. The navigation bar contains the settings to best explore your document or your set of documents. You could split the view between documents for quick reference or compare. Full page allows for single-page view that changes your mouse wheel to zoom in and out. Scrolling changes the mouse wheel to scroll up and down, which can be useful for text documents. There are also options to change pages or jump through specific views you've previously used in your session.